I don't go tell you no be so now. Since, let me tell you, when Odi came to campaign here, all of that, Nami provide everything. Nami provide everything. He get person who want to come campaign as I agree. Agree? No. You come? No. And then they do what you I will tell you how much I will do. If I want to oppose Obi, you know, I can stand on the podium and say, I will oppose Obi. No, so. I talk about it. You don't see where I castigate her one day. No. I don't know who I talk against. I don't know. I don't know. I hide them. I run away. So, I don't know what you talk about. So, the truth of the matter remains that at the level where we are, in our own group, we are agreed. So listen, we must support a southern, and we must not come ourselves, don't divide the house. Watch the voting pattern. The hero of this election, whether you like him or not like him, is Obi. The hero of this election is who? Obi. Listen, I'm not saying, hold on. I'm not saying it to make you happy. Listen, are you hear me? I'm not saying it to make you happy. I'm saying the truth and nothing but the truth. He may not have been pronounced as the winner, no problem. The law will take its Now, you know why what we are doing today is a live program? You know why? This is what they say, my live program. They watch them everywhere now. You know why I do am so? I don't want them to go say I talk state. They hear me direct. So nobody will say, they say we can say. You they hear them. You don't need to say they say we can say. You they hear what I talk. So, yes, he has not been pronounced winner. No problem. If Obi did not run this election, the power would have gone to the south. I can tell you the truth. If Obi did not run this election, power will not come to the south. Whether you wish tomorrow or not is immaterial. But history will be on his side. But he fought and fought well. That's what is important. It's not everybody who started revolution may benefit it at that time. Right? If I want to play with you, I will say make power no concept. Make it go north. So that when they finish, I will say I want one. No, so. No. I say no. It must not be me. It must not be me. But the point remains, nobody's a slave in his country. That comes it. Even if you're a slave, you can say, I'll not be a slave again. Not so. Even as Bible they run under you, time has come when you say, Oga, I don't start, make I go. Not so. That's how life is. If you don't say you are there, nobody will know you are there. And now we are saying we are here, people know we are here. It is written now. As you take it, finish. Others go take it. That's why the principle of Yendeba. So when people they go carry propaganda, when people they go carry propaganda, I'm gonna ask question, what do Wike do? Nothing.